Former Umkhonto we Party Secretary General Floyd Shivambu has announced a press conference. Shivambu, the former Secretary General of the Umkhonto we Party, has announced that the party will be holding a press conference on Thursday, 19 June 2025, to address key political developments in South Africa. Taking it to social media, Shivambu invited all media houses to attend and emphasized the importance of transparency and truth in political discourse. Quoting revolutionary leader Amilcar Cabral, he wrote, "Hide nothing from the masses of our people, tell no lies, expose lies whenever they are told, mask no difficulties, mistakes, failures, claim no easy victories." He went on to say that this philosophy is central to the Umkhonto we Party's approach. It's in our DNA to speak the truth because the truth is revolutionary. The statement reads as follows: Media invitation, press conference address by former MK Party Secretary General, Comrade Floyd Shivambu. Members of the media are invited to attend a press conference to be addressed by the former Secretary General of the Umkhonto we Party, Comrade Floyd Shivambu. The briefing will focus on critical national matters currently fronting South Africa. Press conference details: date 19 June 2025. Time 12 o'clock. Venue Mhulu Luxury Boutique Hotel. Strictly accredited media houses will be permitted to attend to cover the press conference. Media representatives are kindly requested to RSVP on the provided details and arrive early for setup and registration. Meanwhile, the Umkhonto we Party President Jacob Zuma has made it clear that they're not going to back anyone on Umkhonto we Party. He has taken a firm stance against undisciplined members, emphasizing no one is above the party. Addressing members at the Christiansburg Sports Stadium in Claremont, Zuma stressed those who deviate from the party's principle will face consequences. He made reference to the recent removal of Floyd Shivambu as the Secretary General after his controversial trip to visit fugitive Pastor Shepherd Bushiri in Malawi, which the party said it was not consistent with the Umkhonto we Party's constitution. Zuma said this is not an organization to make money, it is an organization to liberate South Africa. If one of us goes off track, we don't back them. The MK Party has experienced significant leadership changes, particularly in Secretary General position. Before Shivambu, the role was held by Sihle Ngubane, who reassigned to Parliament as Chief Whip, then Adazwane, who was removed due to mismanagement allegations, and Sfiso Maseko, who resigned. Shivambu joined the Umkhonto we Party after leaving the EFF last year. He was appointed national organizer before being appointed as Secretary General in November. His tenure was also short-lived. The Umkhonto we Party's highest decision-making body announced Shivambu would be redeployed to National Assembly as a member of Parliament. Zuma said, "We've had 7 Secretary Generals because we're not here to play games. We don't care how great you are, how you are loved. We don't care. We talk about our party." Zuma also responded to complaints about leadership decisions and said there are those who say they want to protest because of one decision we took. This means our party needs work. We will fire anyone who does wrong in the Umkhonto we Party. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.